Did you receive the wrong item from Instacart? Maybe something was missing, damaged, or expired? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to return Instacart items and request a refund step by step. So let's get started. Before we jump into the process, here's what you need to know about Instacart's refund and return policy. Instacart does not accept returns directly. You'll need to go through the retailer or request a refund. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find the retailer return policies. Since the return would base on the retailer, so you'll be able to find requirements for returning items in this section. You can report issues within 7 days of receiving your order, and refunds are usually issued as an Instacart credit or back to your original payment method. If you've got an incorrect, missing, or damaged item, you can request a refund in the Instacart app. Go ahead and open the app, tap on the orders tab, select the order with the issue, scroll down and click on the Get Help or Report an Issue button. Choose the problem, missing item, damage, wrong item, or poor quality, and Instacart will give you the option to request a refund or credit. In most cases, your refund is processed within a few hours. You can also request a refund from their website by visiting their site, logging into your account, clicking the orders button, and selecting the affected order. Report the problem and follow the prompts to request a refund or credit. Your refund will typically be issued to your original payment method or Instacart credits. If you need to return an item physically, you'll have to do it directly at the store where the item was purchased. So first and foremost, check the store's return policy, bring the item and your Instacart receipt, visit the customer service desk, and explain the issue. Most major retailers like Costco, Walmart, and Publix allow in-store returns, but policies may vary, so check before going. And that's it. Now you know how to return Instacart items and request a refund with ease. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.